Hello and welcome to the BayPay Forum's daily news podcast. I'm Lisa, here to bring you the latest in payments and fintech. This episode is proudly sponsored by payacademy.com, your leading online resource for learning about the payments and fintech industry, anytime, anywhere, with over 220 courses at your fingertips. Let's dive into today's top stories. Manzil Wealth introduces halal wealth platform in Canada. Islamic finance company Manzil Wealth has announced that it launched a halal wealth management solution in Canada. FCA fines Macquarie Bank £13 million for fictitious trades. Macquarie Bank's London branch has faced a fine of £13 million for one of its junior traders who carried out over 400 fabricated trades. Bain Capital acquires Envestnet for $4.5 billion. Envestnet has announced the completion of its acquisition by affiliates of vehicles managed or advised by Bain Capital in a deal valued at approximately $4.5 billion. Revolut reveals 2025 product plans at London event. Revolut officials have outlined the company's strategic vision for 2025 during the Revolutionaries event, which took place in London. Banca Investis launches General AI-driven investment advisory application. Banca Investis has announced the launch of a new investment advisory platform entitled Niwa, powered by General AI, in partnership with Bain & Company. Yuno partners with Mastercard to expand the click-to-pay at checkout solution globally. Yuno has announced its partnership with Mastercard in order to make the click-to-pay at checkout solution available to customers across the globe. Aevi and LEGI.ONE partner to bring advanced payments to SMEs. Aevi, a player in in-person payment orchestration, has partnered with LEGI.ONE Limited, a company providing solutions for SMEs, to make advanced payments available for small and medium enterprises. Telr collaborates with Samsung to introduce Samsung Pay in the UAE. Online payment gateway Telr has entered into a collaboration with Samsung to launch Samsung Pay in the UAE and improve the digital payment landscape in the region. Cardless raises $30 million to continue its development process. Cardless has announced a $30 million funding round, aimed at its continued development of credit card and loyalty products, as well as its expansion in multiple markets. Mali and PayPal partner to expand payment solutions in Europe. European financial services provider Mali has announced a partnership with PayPal aimed at improving payment solutions for marketplace platforms in Europe. Reserve Bank of India scales cross-border payments platform. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has announced its intention to expand its cross-border payment platform by including new trading partners in Asia and the Middle East. Bluecode, Discover global network partner to scale mobile payment acceptance. Austria-based payment brand Bluecode has teamed up with Discover Global Network to expand mobile payment acceptance across the world utilizing payment roaming. Sumsub partners with Elliptic in order to tackle crypto financial crime. Sumsub has announced its partnership with crypto asset risk management company Elliptic in order to tackle crypto financial crime and protect its customers. Morocco advances draft cryptocurrency regulation, explores CBDC. Morocco has moved forward with the regulation of cryptocurrencies with a draft law currently under review, according to officials from the country's central bank. Yellow Card partners with OnRamper to improve crypto onboarding. OnRamper has partnered with Yellow Card, a stablecoin on and off ramp in Africa, to improve fiat to crypto onboarding throughout the continent. Deutsche Bank invests in Partior. Partior, the bank-backed fintech behind a ledger-based interbank system for real-time clearing and settlement, has secured a $20 million investment from Deutsche Bank, bringing its total Series B funding round to $80 million. No-code payment orchestrator Norber raised $3 million. Norber, an Amsterdam-based payment infrastructure as a service (IaaS) provider, has raised $3 million in funding, led by Alston Capital as the lead investor, with participation from existing backer Portfolion. Embedded credit card platform Cardless raises $30 million. Embedded credit card platform Cardless has raised $30 million in growth equity funding. HSBC launches transactions platform for firms seeking international growth. HSBC has launched a one-stop domestic and cross-border payments platform for businesses looking to grow internationally. Capitalist scoops $20 million investment from Wall Street elite. Capital markets tech provider Cardless has received strategic investment from Citi, Morgan Stanley, State Street and UBS. Troubled fintech Solaris in search of fresh funding. German banking-as-a-service platform Solaris is reportedly seeking an emergency cash injection of 100 million and will put the business up for sale if it fails to raise fresh funds. NatWest launches Advent calendar to warn Brits about scams. As fraudsters gear up to take advantage of the Christmas period, NatWest has launched an Advent calendar designed to educate Brits on the threat of common purchase scams. Checkout.com launches study on Generation Alpha's rising influence in the digital economy. Global digital payments provider Checkout.com has launched a new study that reveals the overall rising influence of Generation Alpha in the digital economy. Adyen teams up with Doctolib to improve healthcare payments. Financial technology platform Adyen has entered into a strategic collaboration with Doctolib to provide medical professionals with secure and optimized financial solutions. Doc partners with Uverse to support biometric authentication. Doc has announced a partnership with Uverse, a company specializing in privacy-focused biometric solutions. Request Finance expands with Pay.so Lithuania acquisition. Request Finance, a company specializing in cryptocurrency and fiat financial operations, has acquired Pay.so Lithuania, a regulated virtual asset service provider, VASP. Credit Card Scorecard highlights the necessity of targeting by age. Given the proliferation of credit cards, it stands to reason that the best card for any individual user will depend on their habits and needs. Thank you for joining us for today's coverage. Remember, you can delve deeper into any story we discussed today by visiting our news section at baypayforum.com. We're here every day, bringing you the critical insights and latest trends across the payments and fintech landscape. Until next time, I'm Lisa, thanking you for watching and inviting you to join us again tomorrow for more updates. Stay informed, stay ahead.